Samsung Electronics posted its expected earnings for Q2. The tech titan's profit growth is forecast to be lower than the first quarter of the year. Poor smartphone sales is seen as the key contributing factor in the downward trend. Roon-hee help us look beyond the digits.
Samsung Electronics on Friday posted its expected earnings for the second quarter of 2018. Operating profit was up 5.2% on-year, reaching some $13.2 billion. But that's 5.4% lower than the previous quarter, which stood at around $14 billion. Samsung had delivered a string of record earnings, and the new figures mark the first time in 7 quarters the company has posted an on-quarter decrease in profits. Meanwhile, second quarter sales were estimated at $51.8 billion, down 4.9% from a year earlier. An economic expert attributed the fall in profits to the weak sales of its smartphones.
The smartphone market is saturated, and we probably won't observe significant changes in this sector. Consumers aren't interested in the latest Samsung models because not much has improved from the previous ones.
The display segment is also expected to post weak earnings because the prices of LCD panels are falling. This expert said it is too early to say that earnings will decline in the third quarter because Samsung still has strong overseas sales of semiconductors. Meanwhile, LG Electronics has also posted its estimated earnings for the April to June period. The firm posted an operating profit of $691 million. Sales rose 3.2% over the same period to reach $13.4 billion. Analysts attributed the increase to stable sales of TVs and home appliances. Samsung and LG are expected to release their finalized figures later this month. Roon-hee, Arirang News.